Hello and welcome, guys. So here in this OpenCV for Python developers, almost all the basic operations are completed. So now it's time for to check the skills, and now the assignment you have to resolve. So just to create a simple drawing app, and in that app user must be able to draw multiple circles on a white canvas, and must be user must be able to select at least two colors. So to start with this, there are the few tips. You can use the event L button down, mouse move, and L button up. These are the events which we have already used, so you can use those. And using the OpenCV, write this as assignment. Thank you. Let's see your assignments.